Hi, this is Jim at IP Office Techs. We're going to show you some quick features of the T41P phone. First off, we'll show you the volume control. The volume control is located on this switch right here. Plus is louder, minus is softer. When we have it this way, we can up it and the ringer volume goes up. When we're on speaker, the speaker volume goes up. And when we're on the handset, lift up the handset volume goes up and down. Let's make an inbound call. Notice that the name of the caller is here along with their phone number. We can pick up with the speaker button, we can pick up the handset, or if you had an attached headset, we can use the headset button. Let's pick up the call. Now I'm talking on the phone. Let's make an outside call. We'll press one of the line keys and press the phone number and send.
Thank you for calling MCI. Our system indicates you are...
That was an example of an outside call. You do not need to dial the 1. If you're calling another extension, you simply dial the extension number and hit the send key. And they pick up. Note that there are 2 line keys programmed. This means you can juggle 2 simultaneous calls, whether they be inside or outside. We can add more line keys so you can juggle up to 3 calls, but that's usually reserved for a receptionist. Other buttons here can be used to program direct dial extension numbers so that you can use one button dialing to reach one of the people in your office. We can also program it for an outside line for your favorite lunch place or perhaps a spouse. Let's practice transferring a call. We'll have an inbound call come in. And then we'll transfer to extension 1031 on the left. That one. Pick up the call. I'd like to transfer to 1031. Press the tran key, 1031, and hang up the call. We'll notice that this phone is ringing now. We can pick it up and talk to the outside caller. Notice the choices under the screen: history, directory, DND for do not disturb, and menu. These change depending upon what you are doing with the phone. Note that when I call the phone, those choices will change. Answer, forward, silence, reject. Direct to voicemail, answer it, forward it to another extension, or just make the ringer go quiet. But let's pick it up. It changed once again. We have transfer, hold, conference, or end call. Right now we're going to put it on hold. We notice the green light will flash. All we need to do to talk again to the people is resume or hit the line key. Now we're talking to the original party. If a second call comes in to the same phone, the second line will ring and you'll hear a beep on your phone. You can talk to the other party by pressing the line button. This automatically puts the first caller on hold with the green flashing light and connects you to the second caller. You can switch back and forth between the two without pressing the hold key, and it makes an auto hold on the different calls. The one that is green flashing means that is holding. The steady one is the one you're talking to. Let's go back to that call, but first we'll hang up with this party, reconnect, and now we're talking to that party again, and end call. Let's say you did not know where the party is when a call comes in. On this phone we have a page button programmed, but we could easily program it on that phone also. With page, we press page, and then talk through the speaker and say, "John, you have a call coming in. Please call me at 1031 and let me know where you're at." John then calls, lets the receptionist know where he's at, and then, just like we transferred before, we could hit the transfer button and then transfer it over to him. It's that simple. The history button lets us know what's been happening while we were away. We press the history, and now we could scroll through the different choices. If we pressed option and then detail, it'll tell us who called, when they called, and what line they called on. Press back to clear. We could have also called by hitting the send button from history. So if we were on IP Office Techs, for example, we could call them back by hitting send, and it will ring that phone. To clear the history, press history, and then option, and then scroll down to delete all and press OK, and then OK. Now nothing's in there and you're completely cleared out. Let's leave a voicemail. We'll call 1038. We'll hit the reject button, so it goes directly to voicemail.
Hi, this is Jim. I'm on vacation this week. We hope to talk to you next week. Please call me then.
Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
Hi, Jim. Do you want to go to lunch today? I hope so. We're going to go to a good place. Thank you. Bye. After a time, it will say how many voicemails you have, and a little envelope icon will flash along with the red light. A little beep will also go off notifying you that you have a voicemail. To retrieve your voicemails, press the envelope icon and do what the lady says.
New message. Press 1 for new messages. Press 2 to change first. Message received today at 1:22 p.m. Message from phone number 41420625558.
Hi, Jim. Do you want to go to lunch today? I hope so. We're going to go to a good place. Thank you. Bye.
Press 3 for advanced options. Press 5 to repeat the current message. Press 7 to delete message deleted. No more messages.
And end call. If we want to change our greeting, we get into voicemail again.
You have no mess.
Press
1 to
0
record your unavailable message.
and then press 1.
After the tone, say your unavailable message and then press the pound key.
Hi, this is Jim. I'm on vacation for a couple of weeks. Please call back a little bit later.
Thank you. Press 1 to accept this recording. Your message has been saved. Press 1 to record.
Let's check that to see if that's really happening. I'll call 1038. Reject call.
Hi, this is Jim. I'm on vacation for a couple of weeks. Please call back a little bit later.
Please leave your message.
Perfect, that worked fine. When we're on Do Not Disturb, any calls coming in will go directly to voicemail, and you'll have a DND in your window. To turn it back off, press it again. There are other options on the phone, such as redial. That shows us the last few numbers we've called, and we could call them again very easily. Go back to get to the main screen. Forwarding. To get to forward, you press Menu, scroll down to Features, and choose Call Forwarding. There are many options under there which will be covered in another video. Back out, and we're back to our home screen again. Thank you for watching this initial tutorial on the Yealink T41P as connected to our hosted phone system offering. Have a great day.